In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Wix Studio. Grouping is a simple way to keep your layout tidy and make edits faster. When elements are grouped, they move and scale together, which is perfect for things like a header made of a logo, a button, and some text, or a set of icons that you want to treat as one unit. Here's how to do it. Start by using your mouse to draw a selection box around the elements you want to group. Place your cursor in an empty area near one corner of the region you want to cover. Click, hold, and drag diagonally toward the opposite corner, just like you're drawing a rectangle across the canvas. Keep the mouse button held down until the box covers everything you want. It helps to begin from a blank spot so you don't accidentally grab and move a single element. If you need more precision, zoom in a bit before you drag so you can hug the edges more closely. As you drag, you'll see a selection marquee appear. In Wix Studio, any element that the box touches will be included in the selection. That means even a slight overlap counts. If you want to avoid catching nearby items, give yourself a little breathing room and keep the box tight around your intended elements. If you accidentally include extra pieces, no worries. Release the mouse, click on an empty area to clear the selection, and try again with a smaller or more carefully placed box. Once the correct elements are highlighted, right-click on the selection and choose Group from the context menu. That's it. The items will immediately become a single grouped object. You'll notice a single bounding box around them, and when you drag, everything inside moves together while maintaining spacing and alignment. This makes it much easier to reposition entire sections of your design without nudging each piece individually. You can still work inside the group when needed. Select the group, then click into individual elements to adjust text, swap an image, or tweak styles, all while keeping the group intact. If you make a selection mistake along the way, simply undo and redraw your selection box, then right-click and group again. To recap, draw a box from one corner to the other to select. Remember that anything the box touches is included, and then right-click and choose Group. With this quick technique, you'll keep your designs cleaner and your workflow smoother. Practice it a couple of times, and you'll be grouping like a pro in seconds.